Hi everyone, this is Sandy Crane at the Heart, and I am back with a haul. This is a Not Too Shabby haul. It also includes my subscriptions with them. And so if you're interested in what they have at Not Too Shabby, I believe it's not too with the number 2 shabbyshop.com. I think that's what it is. Not2shabbyshop.com. And so anyway, let me go ahead and get into what I got. So first, before I get into my subscription items, I'm going to talk a little bit about what I got that wasn't part of it. So Not Too Shabby had an amazing, what they're calling a mini release. I didn't get it all because I darn well couldn't afford to get it all because it's a lot. But I am totally in love with this rainbow collection. And so I went ahead and got it because the beauty about rainbows is that, I mean, you can use it for anything. It's good for boys and girls. And so anyway, I am down with rainbows. So I got the Look for the Rainbow Sentiments set. And I love this. It's a huge amount of sentiments. So I figure it could go really well with all the other rainbow collections that I have. So I thought that'd be great. And I did splurge and get the dies that go with it. And then I believe these kind of work together, but this is actually foil. So what I learned is that you can emboss foil. Also, of course, heat. You can heat it up and you put the heat foil on it and get some lovely images with that. And then this makes a card, but also this is like the rainbow card front. I did not get the pieces that go in that because, you know, it's going to have to be next time because I just ran out of dough for it. But I believe this cuts that. So I thought that was pretty cool too. And so I did get that. I also got, and my stack of things I have to put away is growing. I also got in this release the Honeybee Wax Stamper. I'm going to have to demo this. I actually got one of the ones from their last release, which I think this is the spoon. I have the waxer over here. Yeah, I do. Thanks. I do have it right here. So I don't know if it was the last release, but they had the heart, which I really liked. So I did get that, and I do have the spoon already, and I did get some wax melts. I got this one last time, but I think I really want the black. They have a black one. Anyway, they have a birthday rainbow wax melts, so I did get those, and then I did get the stamp for wax seals in the rainbow, which I thought was just stinking adorable. So I did get that. Okay, so now on to the unboxing. And you know, eventually, if you watch my channel, I will eventually use that stuff and show you guys it, but a lot of stuff going on. Free with 60, I think this is the Free with 60, which is the rainbow birthday gem stickers. So that's fun. I've been using a lot of my gems and things recently, so that'll be fun. The stamp and die of the month is this super cute Critter Pops. I think it's adorable. I saw a lot of people coloring them up and making them red, white, and blue, which would be awesome for 4th of July. My birthday is July 1st, so I might do them up in birthday colors or something. So on that day, my actual birthday, July 1st, I will come on and do a face-to-face and talk a little bit about, you know, being the age that I'm going to be, which is, I can't believe I'm that old. But anyway, they say age is just a number, but it's also a big number. Okay, so get into it. Oh my gosh, I'm so freaking excited. This kit is just, there's certain things I really like, and bees are one of them. So I just have a thing. So I apologize for crinkling and whatnot, but it's a must So it must be done with this kit. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to get this paper out of the way as well. I think I'm going to keep this paper because I think it might be fun in a junk journal. Sometimes I like using stuff like that in my junk journals. Okay, so the paper. So it's Sunflower Bees and Honey Bear. And from what I understand, and maybe I'm wrong, maybe I didn't understand this correctly, but I believe that you can heat foil these. That these that are in the black and white like this can be heat foiled. I'm going to try it out. If I am wrong, I will let you know. But I think we can put some foil on here. So I might work on that and see if any of these can be foiled. Why not? I think she said that they could be. So I'm going to double check on that. And then the Sunflower Bees, I love the colors in this with the blue. Really, really fabulous. Look how pretty and vibrant that is. These ones I'm pretty sure you don't need to foil them. They're already really vibrant and beautiful. So I'm excited. I have not even finished working with the stuff from April and May. I am going to be working on that stuff too, like a mad woman. And if you watch my channel, you'll notice I've got a lot more videos going up. So I really am trying to build my channel and get subscribers. So I would love, if you're not a subscriber, to subscribe. You can also visit me on Instagram, which is Creating with the Heart 2. And so I've just been crafting like crazy. And so what I do is I schedule mine. And so a lot of things get scheduled, in advance. So be aware that I'm going to be posting a lot. And so I try to save room in parts of my channel so that I can have current things up there. But some things I post, in advance. So I've got things going on all the time. So anyway, we've got beehives and little cafe thingies. And this might be cute with like a Paris, like an Eiffel Tower type thing. And maybe even mini album or junk journal. I love it. Super cute. So this is all the ephemera we get. We get 3 stamp sets. I was in the middle of cleaning my house when I heard the mail lady come. And so I knew it was my Not Too Shabby box because I checked to see the tracking and that, because usually my stuff comes quick from her, from Jamie. So it said that it was going to come sometime today. So I knew it was here. And so I was cleaning my tub, which was disgusting. I normally have a cleaner come, but we just, it's been difficult to even have a cleaner come to the house. So I'm scrubbing out my tub. And so anyway, I heard it and I stopped what I was doing so I could come and get my box. So Jamie on her channel did the cutest card with, I think it was a shaker with the bear and this. So really cute. I can't wait to play with that one. This one's more stylized, and then this one is more of a natural bee look, which is really fun. I think it go really well with some of the sunflower stamps. I think I have Sunny Studio. I just got, what did I get? I just got something. I just got Heartfelt Creations. I got the sunflower. So there's that one. And then the gnomes. I love, love, love the gnomes. These guys are super cute. And what I really like, he's got this little stick thing, but you can have him holding like a balloon or something. So like I might try to do something like that. So you can have him holding a balloon maybe. And so you can really use these in some different ways and not just like bee themed. So I'm liking that. And then she had 2 different, get a cute little sucker. Let's see, what was I going to say? 2 different sequin mixes that you could get. And so I got the one that has, I don't know, I'm going to have to go back in her channel and see what the other one was that you could get. This is Bumblebee Blue, and I love it. Yeah, I don't have anything like that, but I'm glad I got this one because I think the other one might have been more traditional. It might have been more traditional Bumblebee, and I do have Bumblebee more traditional. So I love this because it really goes well with the paper. So I'm super, super excited. And so this sells out really quickly, usually, depending on it. I know her watermelon one sold out really fast, and I barely got it. So you are going to have to really watch out. Sometimes the different products are listed separately on her channel and not just as a subscription. But I do know that her stuff sells like super fast. So at least the last couple months have been super cute. So yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy of Creating the Heart.